Alright, so hello universe, welcome to Angels AI into our new topic today, and it's for that quickly create a new file 11th.html, and this time we're going to learn so much of backgrounds. Okay, so what are backgrounds? Okay, so to understand about backgrounds, we are here to understand different kinds of backgrounds in the website. Okay, so for that we'll have the body. Okay, so let's quickly now create another CSS file, so 11th style.css. okay, and in here we are going to have the body, and for the body we have let's first link it to this one, 11th style. Alright, so let's save it, and for the body we are going to use another tag today. As you know that there are a lot of background. Okay, so first let me select the post instead of post CSS, let me select the pure CSS. Alright, so if I now go to the back, as I write the back, there is first a background color, then the background image, then the background position, then the background repeat. There were so kinds of background, right? So today till now we have done background color, but today we have to understand what is background image. Okay, so for that we'll require the image. So to go to the image, to get the image, what I'll do is I'll go to the Chrome and just yes. Alright, so I will now open Pixabay. Okay, and as I open Pixabay, I'll type there for any image, or you can use the images from here too. Let's say I have I want some beautiful picture. Okay, it should be in landscape, so let us quickly filter out. So I'm going to search for beautiful. Okay, I know the spelling is wrong. Yeah, so let's keep the orientation to be horizontal, means landscape, and let us select any other beautiful image. Okay, so I cannot see more. Now for instance, let's see this. Okay, so okay, alright, so let's hit the download button. Okay, so the download has occurred, and the moment the download is happening, what you have to click on this icon. Okay, and you'll get this. What you have to do is to just drag it, and meanwhile change the your window and just paste it over here. You'll get your image right over here. Okay, alright, so in this what you have to do for the background image, just like in the background color we used to have the RGB, then in the bracket we have the RGB values. Inside it we have to use this URL, and inside the bracket you have to use this, or instead of that let's try. Okay, so autumnal means the name of the video or the photo. So that should be in JPG, PNG, or GIF, or any other image file type. Okay, in the background image you cannot add videos. Alright, and it's so simple. Now your background images are being applied. Now let's quickly open it to the live server and look at this. Wow, amazing. Now as you can see that the background is getting repeated, because after this background you're getting this and this and this. So that is something that we are going to learn in the next video. So for now that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next.